this video today, what I'm going to be showing you guys is how to properly remove your lace wig without, removing the edges. If you want to see that, ensure that you stick around and continue watching this video. So I went ahead and clipped the hair out of the way. As you can see, some parts are lifting up already. What I'm going to be using to remove my lace wig today is this right here, the bowl hole lace remover, because that is the adhesive that I used to glue down my lace. If you haven't checked out that video, you should go ahead and do so. I'm gonna leave it in the cards and also in my description box. Normally, whatever adhesive you use to glue down your hair, that is the adhesive you would use to remove. So I use the bowl hole adhesive. I'm going to use the bowl hole lace remover. If you are like me, because at times I use the got to be glued spray, whenever I use that, what I use is rubbing alcohol to remove my lace. So let's get into this. So the first thing you want to do is basically just to spray the product and let it sit. You don't want to be dragging up the product, just let it sit for a while until the lace is coming off easily, because you don't want to do that and then you ending up tearing the lace and then you can't wear back your wig again and your money just basically went down the drain. Another thing that you can do to test to see if a product is to just get your rat tail comb and run through to see if that lace is ready to come off. So doing this now, I can see that well, from here to here is already lifted, but when I get right here I notice that it's not coming off. So I'm going to go back in and put some more product right here. Do the same thing again and see that okay, right here is ready to lift. Right here still not budging. Right here was glued down properly. Okay, so from here to here is already ready to go. It's just the edges now that I need to work on. So right here is ready to go now. It is again. We go back over here and check again. So basically that is the same process you're going to keep repeating to check to see if the lace is ready to lift off. So from here to here is ready to go, like literally ready to go, as you can see. And look at that, my edges are still there, no glue on it. Well, I'm not going to say no glue on it, but like it's not going anywhere, it's not ripping off. So that is why I advise that whenever you're removing your lace wig, whatever lace adhesive you use the same lace remover and remove your lace. Okay, you don't want the edges to be tearing off. Right here is not budging at all, so I'm just going to add some more product to it. Okay, so it is off. So let's get this off. Oh my god, like after I remove the lace, this is what it's looking like. So if you do want to see a video of how I remove the glue and how I basically get this muckiness off my lace, so that whenever I am ready to reinstall, it's good to go, then do me a favor and comment that down below in the comment section if you want to see one of that video. As you can see from the lace that was removed, a little bit of the glue is actually left in my hair. So what I'm going to do is basically just to spray some more of the product on wherever the glue is in your hair, and that should get it out. No wonder why the edge wasn't coming up, because like these sections were really glued down, because look at this. So I am just going to let that sit in there for a while before I remove the rest of the glue. So as you can see, I already removed the glue that was over here. So I'm basically going to show you how I remove this one. To see it's already coming apart. So what I normally is just get a cotton pad and just rub it. Basically just rub it out of the hair. And that's literally it. Like, that's literally all you need to do to remove a lace wig. Right now, if I want, I can basically just reinstall another wig fresh on top of this, just like that. To how cleanly I remove the wig from my hair. So if you did find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video, and thanks for watching.